Sultej Textiles and Industries Limited, an ISO 9001-2008 certified company, promoted by late Dr. Krishna Kumar Birla and represented the textile interest of KK Birla Group, is one of the largest integrated textile manufacturing companies in India, with 4 manufacturing units in northern and western part of India.
Sutlej's first unit was actually set up by my great-grandfather in Pakistan, and subsequently we had set up units in Rajasthan, in Himachal Pradesh, in Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Today, Sutlej has the state-of-the-art facilities and a high standard of corporate governance.
Being a leading producer of value-added yarns in India, along with being the largest producer of melange yarn in India, we have the largest product portfolios of spun dyed, cotton blended and cotton melange dyed yarns. We have built a strong global clientele with presence across major developed and emerging economies, emerging as a one-stop specialized yarn solutions provider for some of the most reputed brands.
Sutlej remained focused on sustainable growth path and have grown from rupees 800 crores to rupees 2,500 crores in last 10 years. Sutlej de-risked its business model by diversified product portfolio and developing markets across the globe, and at present it is exporting to 65 countries 30% of its production.
Some key markets being Turkey, Poland, Egypt, Italy, Portugal, USA, Bangladesh, Colombia, South Africa and Morocco. The company stepped into the home textiles business in 2006 to respond to the growing demand for high-quality contemporary products across this segment. It holds a prominent position in the domestic market and has a strong export focus. Backed by superior design implementations resulting from the company's tie-up with European design studios and our research across trends and patterns related to the industry. Our product range comprises of furnishing fabrics and made-ups of jacquard and dobby weaves in both yarn-dyed and piece-dyed. Damanganga Home Textiles is the hallmark of superior quality products that undergo intense advanced testing for perfect quality each time.
Sutlej is working on operational excellence and also exploring new avenues for growth, both organically and inorganically, to turbocharge our profitability. Recently, we acquired American silk mills in USA in order to increase our footprint in home textiles in Americas. The company is set to take the leap in the new growth areas like home textile branding, performance fabric.
We have a most modern and state-of-the-art quality testing and development equipment managed by a team of qualified and experienced professionals. Our manufacturing units have received ISO accreditation for continuous 7 years. The ability of our company to continuously innovate on product offerings is an outcome of class-leading research done at our Product Development Centers, PDC. These centers have machines from blow room to finishing for quick preparation of samples of new yarn varieties.
The company has successfully catered to dynamic requirement of its customers by focusing on strong research and development, leading to development of new products and operational efficiencies.
Capacity leadership is key to building a world-class organization in textiles. Due to our capacity advantage, we are able to work with flexibility in responding to customer demands. A trained and certified staff, the key role in maintaining the production output, and to keep maintaining their efficiency. The company takes care of the staff upkeep with various counseling and training programs.
We believe in our teams right across from shop floor to management board. We do have strong HR policies and employee engagement measures in order to make Sutlej a great place to work.
Sutlej believes that when the community and environment around you is nourished, company flourishes in harmony. Social responsibilities like promoting girl education by offering scholarships and cash awards to girl students. Financial support to relief operations during times of distress and natural calamities are carried as part of our duty. We are committed to keeping our operations easy on the planet and are in the process of reducing our environmental footprint by investing in eco-friendly and reliable technologies and practices.
Sutlej is today a $350 million company. With a workforce of 15,000 people motivated at our plants, we are seeing excellent operational efficiencies and productivity. This apart, for us, our customers are of prime importance. To cater to their needs, we are continuously striving for product innovation and high quality service. We have research development labs at all our plants with people working at full earnest to try to bring new qualities and new varieties to the ever-changing fashion scenario.